Have you ever wondered how to achieve financial success and build enduring wealth? We all have at some point. Imagine a place where prosperity was the privilege of the few, and poverty was the reality for many. In this captivating journey, we'll discover the secrets of Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, as he transformed his life from a humble scribe to an affluent financial guru. This is a story of small beginnings and grand endings, a timeless tale of wealth building that still resonates today. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow and reach more people. Babylon was a city with a promising foundation, yet it was far from the grandeur it would later become. In the beginning, it was merely a scrap of civilization, with no palaces, no towering walls, and nothing that could be called grand. It was fortunate to have fertile land and a river running through it. Perhaps these two resources were all it needed to rise to greatness. This is because what Babylon lacked in material wealth, it made up for with its skilled and resourceful people. Their expertise in engineering, arts, and trade paved the way for making Babylon the grand city it is remembered as in history. In the heart of Babylon lived Arkad, a scribe whose daily job was to inscribe records on clay tablets. Arkad, like many, struggled to make ends meet. He lived in a modest dwelling, made ends meet, and had a family to support. Just like many others in Babylon, Arkad's life was far from luxurious. Then, one fateful day, Arkad's fate turned around when he met Algomesh, a wealthy moneylender with grand chariots and a wealth of knowledge in the world of financy. Algomesh needed Arkad's services to keep records of his financial transactions. While to the moneylender Arkad may have appeared as just an ordinary worker, to Arkad, Algomesh was a golden opportunity. Arkad saw in Algomesh a chance to learn secrets that could change his life and his family's life forever. With determination and a strong will, Arkad managed to convince Algomesh to share his wisdom on wealth and finance. Soon enough, Algomesh became his advisor and mentor on money matters. Under the mentorship of Algomesh, Arkad's life began to transform. He learned the proper ways of saving, budgeting, and investing. He improved bit by bit with the wisdom passed down by his mentor. He also learned through his own experiences, which included failed partnerships and temptations. Arkad wasn't immune to financial setbacks. He once entrusted his savings to a brickmaster who sought to buy and sell jewels, only to discover that his partner was tricked by the Phoenicians with fake gems. Arkad lost a significant portion of his savings in this venture. He also faced temptations along the way. There were times when he gave in to the allure of grand feasts and expensive purchases, instead of focusing on building more substantial investments. These experiences taught him valuable lessons about discernment, patience, and the need to make informed financial decisions. But Arkad didn't give up. He continued to learn and apply the principles of financial wisdom. He read books, sought the advice of experienced mentors, and was open to learning from his own mistakes. Slowly but steadily, he began to master the laws of wealth. His mentor, Algomesh, saw in Arkad a remarkable transformation. He recognized the potential in Arkad and the wisdom he had gained over time. As Algomesh reached old age, he realized that his own sons had not learned how to earn their own wealth. In a moment of trust and mutual respect, Algomesh approached Arkad with an offer to manage a significant portion of his properties. Arkad, with his newfound experience and wisdom, successfully multiplied Algomesh's wealth even further. When Algomesh eventually passed away, Arkad was given a share in everything he owned. This was the turning point in Arkad's life, as he became the wealthiest man in Babylon. Arkad's journey, from a humble scribe struggling to make ends meet to the richest man in Babylon, is a remarkable story of transformation. It is a testament to the power of knowledge, discipline, and determination in achieving financial success. Arkad's journey didn't end with his newfound wealth. Instead, he embraced the role of a teacher. The king recognized his wisdom and requested that he teach the people of Babylon the best practices of gaining wealth. Arkad, once a curious learner, had become a mentor and guide to many. The 6 Lessons of Wealth. Lesson 1. Save 10%. Arkad's first lesson and one of the fundamental principles of wealth building is to save at least 10% of what you earn. This simple yet powerful concept is often overlooked, but is the cornerstone of financial security. The idea is to pay yourself first. When you receive your income, set aside 10% for your future. Imagine you earn $100 in a month. By saving 10% of your income, which is $10, you're creating a financial cushion. Over time, this habit will help you build a substantial savings reserve. This practice is the foundation upon which all other wealth-building principles are built. Lesson 2. Control your spending. The second lesson, Arkad imparts, is the importance of controlling your spending. In a world where consumerism and impulse buying often prevail, it's crucial to differentiate between needs and wants. To ensure your expenses don't exceed 90% of your income, you must budget wisely. Begin by making a list of your expenses, distinguishing between essentials and non-essentials. Analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut costs. By adhering to this principle, you can ensure that your finances remain within your control. Lesson 3. Invest your savings. Saving money is the first step, but to make your wealth grow, you must invest your savings wisely. Arkad's mentor, Algomesh, emphasized that every piece of gold you earn should become a slave working for you, multiplying your wealth. Investment is the key to making your money work for you. Investing your savings requires careful consideration and risk management. It's essential to identify opportunities that offer a favorable return on your investment. Successful investment choices can create a stream of income that continually adds to your wealth. Lesson 4. The 5 Laws of Gold. In the book The Richest Man in Babylon, 5 laws of gold are introduced. Understanding and applying these laws are fundamental to achieving financial success. Let's explore each of these laws. Save a tenth of your earnings. This law reinforces the concept of saving at least 10% of your income. It's a principle that ensures you're securing your future and building a financial safety net. Invest wisely. The second law highlights the importance of investing your savings in opportunities that have the potential for growth. Making your money work for you is a critical aspect of wealth building. Seek advice from the wise. The third law encourages seeking guidance from those with expertise and wisdom in financial matters. Mentors and advisors can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Avoid investments you don't understand. The fourth law advises caution when considering investments. Don't invest in businesses or ventures that you don't fully comprehend. Research and due diligence are essential before committing your resources. Beware of schemes promising unrealistic returns. The fifth law warns against investments or schemes that promise extraordinary returns that are too good to be true. Such schemes often carry high risks and can lead to financial loss. Lesson 5. Build your own house. Arkad's fifth lesson is a reminder of the importance of owning property, particularly a house. Property ownership is a significant step towards securing your financial future. Building your own house not only provides shelter, but also eliminates the need for renting, which is essentially paying someone else's mortgage. Owning property, especially land, can appreciate in value over time, serving as a valuable asset. It's a wise investment that contributes to long-term financial stability and security. In Babylon and today, real estate is a tangible and enduring wealth-building strategy. Lesson 6. Secure your own and your family's future. As your wealth grows, it's essential to plan for the future. Arkad's sixth lesson emphasizes the importance of securing your own and your family's future. This involves making strategic investments in assets that appreciate over time. Consider acquiring houses and lands, as these properties tend to increase in value. Look into retirement plans and life insurance to provide financial security in your later years. Investing in stocks can also be a viable option for long-term wealth growth. Furthermore, pass down the wisdom of wealth building to your children. Teaching them the principles of financial success ensures that your legacy of prosperity continues for generations to come. Arkad's journey illustrates that the pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing process. No matter how much you learn about saving and investing, there will always be more to discover. It's crucial to keep learning and honing your skills in your chosen field. For business owners, staying informed about market trends and customer preferences is essential to thriving and expanding. Farmers can benefit from continuous learning about innovative agricultural techniques and crop varieties. Freelancers can enhance their skill sets and adapt to evolving client demands. Arkad's success was not a product of static knowledge, but of his willingness to adapt, learn, and grow. As he progressed, he embraced the opportunities and challenges that came his way, becoming a master of his craft. Arkad's journey from a humble scribe to the richest man in Babylon teaches us that wealth is attainable through discipline, knowledge, and perseverance. As you embark on your path to financial success, remember that action is your best friend. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, learn from the wise, and be cautious with investments. Build your own house, secure your future, and keep learning. The wisdom of Babylon, passed down through the ages, continues to resonate with modern society. Arkad's story is a testament to the enduring principles of wealth building, and it serves as a timeless guide for those who seek financial prosperity. If you found this video valuable and insightful, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button. And for more wisdom on wealth, finance, and personal development, be sure to subscribe to our channel. With that said, thanks for taking this journey through the ancient wisdom of Babylon, and until next time, may your path to wealth be as inspiring and successful as Arkad's.